Hey everyone, did you know we can chat with other Pinterest users? Today, we will show you how to use Pinterest's messaging feature to connect, collaborate, and share ideas. Now let's get started. Chat on Pinterest means using the direct messaging feature, which lets us send messages, share pins, and work together on boards with followers or friends. You can find it by clicking the speech bubble icon. This tool is made for sharing inspiration, starting group chats, and talking about specific pins or projects in real time. Chatting on Pinterest helps us talk directly with others, share pins and ideas, work on projects together, or ask questions. It's a helpful way to connect and interact with people who share our interests. Let's go through each part together so everyone, even if new to Pinterest, can easily follow. First, open your browser and go to pinterest.com. Once you're on the page, continue. To find messaging or chat, look for the chat icon. Go to the left side of the page where you'll see the toolbars at the bottom. In the toolbar, you will see some images. To chat with someone, we sometimes need to add them as a friend. We can search for them by email or username if they are not shown on our friends list. Let's look at an example using another account. Let's set up our other account. Let's find it. You can search using usernames. For example, let's use jfurskew. Then click to select, and you can also choose more than one account if you want to chat with a group. You can start a group chat or just chat with one person. After selecting everyone or the person you want to chat, click Next. Next, type your message. You can now express ideas to each other using the chat on Pinterest. Once you're done typing with your thoughts, you can now press Enter. And that's how we chat on Pinterest. It's a simple and useful way to connect with people who like the same things we do. Sharing thoughts and ideas makes your pins do more engagement,